He make you play it for you. He get your artillery together for you.
Sweetheart, she was. Sweetheart. I know she's probably. Yeah. Hey, Spring. How you doing?
It was over at TAP. And my daughter graduated like Did you graduate?
Yeah, bring the trailer, you know, put it back up on the trailer. But it's like, see, man, one time you can't come and lick people's stuff together.
I can't. But you know what? That night.
Kevin Dunn, Camaro. He'll go 10:02 at 129, bump him up to second fast. Gary Burnett under power as he will go at 13:47 for the Harper's in the Chevy, come on the Napa left lane, Summit right lane. Harper cuts the window on, and a new fast time, 8:23 with a 9 at 167 miles an hour. How about it, fans? Let's give Tim Harper a round of applause. 8:23 with a 9 at 160 As soon as they get done making their first pass, they come right back up the return road. They come right back up the return road, they get right back in line, and they go again. So there's going to definitely be a problem for the truck there. AMC was way behind the thinking. But nonetheless, Bob Parrott comes up again out of Moseley, Virginia. They're off and rolling again. Better reaction by Parrott. Looks like, oh, wait a minute, Dunn got him. And Dunn jumps up to second on the board. Tino won with a deuce at 129. Parrott goes 10:47 and 126. Bump him to third. Andy Lloyd, Dunn, Parrott good. McKinnis, your top five at the moment as we're in the second round of the three-seat race. Get them ready, get them ready, get them ready, get them ready. Wade Hunter at the Northport News. He'll jump up to second now. And a new fast time, ladies and gentlemen. Give Mr. Tim Harper a round of applause. 8:30 with the one at 167 miles per hour.